Alright guys, today we are going to take a look at the Li S18 mini drone. Now I got to try to do this video quickly because this thing is haunted. It runs by itself. It'll just start on its own and just start. These motors will start spinning even when you're charging it. It'll just start spinning on its own. It's very it's very bad. It takes forever to charge it because it doesn't want to stop running. Just starts out of the blue. I don't know, there's something wrong with the circuitry with it, so eventually it's going to burn out, okay? Because if you keep the batteries charged, the thing will just start on its own. So then of course, you know, it could start a fire and burn your damn house down too, so you don't want that happening. Just let me show you what they give you with it. This is the box. This is one of these deals where it folds up, you know, and then you can fit it inside the little, it fits inside this little case right here. Gives you a manual, one in Chinese, one in English. Charger. This is the same charger as those little mini JJRCs use. I don't know what connector that is. They give you the bag of stuff, the screwdriver. The prop removal tool looks pretty good. I might actually keep that thing. And then they give you the spare props, the prop guards. The prop guards just clip on here. They don't. Then they give you some screws. I don't know what the screws are for, but they give them to you. And then they give you this little phony antenna. Sorry. They give you this phony antenna right here that slides in here and snaps in there, what's the point of a phony antenna? It's like having a car with a phony engine. It doesn't do anything, okay? There. And then, of course, you got this haunted gem. This one doesn't have the camera. This is the one with just the light on here. I didn't get the camera. This thing was real cheap. I think it was like 15 bucks. Something of that nature. And has a little on and off switch on it right here. Let me show you this transmitter real quick. It's not complicated. The buttons on the top are for the trims. This one you got the speed, this is the takeoff and land, this is the headless mode, and that's the return to home. It's easy stuff, not complicated. And yeah, like I said, these are the trims right here, okay? And these two here would be the record button. The top four are the trims, and these would be the record and the photo button if this was the camera version, but it's not. So let's turn it on and fly it around a little hair to see if it even works anymore because it's so damn haunted. Looks good, looks good. There's the second rate. There's the third rate. Let's check the return to home real quick, just to get that out of the way. No, not return to the blinds, return to home. Okay. There it goes. Okay, it's only got 2 rates. I thought it had 3, but it's only got 2. Don't be smashing into the walls now. We can check the yaw speed out real quick. You just have to take this thing and discharge it. Oh, I think I hit the wall there and it screwed up one of the prop. It screwed up one of the arms. Actually, it bent one of the arms out of the way, but it's still flying fine. But I'm going to land it and straighten the arm out. Yeah, you see it? How it moved one of the arms? It flies real nice. It's just that it won't stop running, so it takes you so long to charge it, because once you start plugging the charger in, it just wants to run on its own. I'm resetting the gyro. That's with the down and to the right, you know, the normal stuff. Flies great. It just didn't have that bug in there. I'll put the flight time in the video. And I see that for some reason those lights flash when you turn when you mess around with the directional thing, it makes the lights flash. So that's kind of bizarre. A flip button on there. Oh, wait a minute, hold on, here we go. Now, none of those trim buttons. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay. I didn't see that in the manual. You press this in. You press the stick in. Okay, let's check some flips out. Because flips are always good for the kiddies. The kiddies like the flips. Okay. Flips are good. Okay, and the flips are done with the right stick. Press in the right stick. The left stick, press it in, does nothing. Zips around real nice. And there went the battery. Yeah, real nice. I mean, I'm sure that they're not all with that bug in there. This is probably just one in a few that's got that bug, so I don't know about the flight time there. I'll have to watch back the video, but yeah, I think it was like $15, which isn't too bad. But the thing about it is, it's just not going to last that long, because every time I go to charge it, it's going to run for hours and hours and hours while it's charging. So eventually, after just flying this thing a few times, the battery is going to go bad. Or not the battery, the motors. It seems to be only one or two of the motors that continuously are running. But, I mean, this ain't one of them type of deals that I'm going to take apart and try to figure out any of this crap, you know. It's probably got a bad solder joint in there somewhere where something's touching something else. So yeah, if you get a nice one for 15 bucks or whatever, it's a good deal, but this one, not so much, because I'm really not going to be able to use it that much. Maybe 1 or 2 more flights with it after the 4 or 5 hour charge time. The motors will die out, and that'll be the end of it. So, but that's how it fits in there, just like that. All right, guys. And this thing's kind of crappy too. There it is. This is like the Mi-Hung Lo Jr. Okay. Yeely Lo. That's it, boys. Have a nice day.